Is your Reolink E1 Pro offline, not connecting to Wi-Fi, or refusing to pair with the app? In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset it in just 2 minutes.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
First, make sure the camera is powered on. Tilt the camera lens upward and locate the reset button next to the micro SD card slot. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds until you hear the voice prompt or see the status LED begin flashing. Then release the button and allow the camera to restart. After the reset is complete, open the Reolink app, tap Add Device, scan the QR code, connect the camera to your Wi-Fi, and finish the setup process. That's it! Your Reolink E1 Pro has been successfully reset and is ready to use again. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CCTV and smart home guides.